Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are going good. In this video, we will explore how we use tags. First of all, we are using HTML tag, head tag, title, body, h1 and others. Uh, every tag start from every tag has been opening and closing tag. First of all, we use opening tag. We are using HTML, and the next head tag, and then we will close it. We will start title tag. Now we are closing. Automatically the next closing tag will appear. Okay, we are using save tag. We are using name save tag, and then start body tag. Okay, and we are now we are using h1 tag, and then we write some data using lorem website. Lorem. Okay, viewers, we are uh, we are using multiply sign, and then click any number, suppose 20, sorry 10. You know, when we write any number, there are some paragraphs available. Then now we are clicking OK and Control S. Now we start, run and start beginning. Now you can see it. First of all, we are right here and using Chrome browser. There are data is available. Okay, viewers, in this video we will study how to write any paragraph in website. Simply we are using a simply paragraph in this video. We are using p tag. P, stands for paragraph. We are using lorem website, and then click 10 or 50. Okay, okay, viewers, there are some paragraph available for 150 letters. Okay, we will save and then refresh again. You can see there are 150 words are available. Okay, viewers, in this video we will study how to write paragraph and headings. Next video we will study multiple tags and multiple CSS and designs. I hope you can understand. If you understand, then share with friends, and and like and subscribe and click bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.